Hi friends, it's Julianne, and today I'm so excited because I'm going to be opening up the Bissell Featherweight Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I am so excited about this, guys. I've been wanting a cordless vacuum for so long. I feel like it's going to motivate me so much more to actually vacuum the house, not having to replug it a million times. So, especially living in a two-story home, it's actually a struggle. So whenever we open it up, you'll see. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of little attachments right here. Then we've got the vacuum canister. Then we've got the actual vacuum attachment for the floor. And boom, that's it. Literally just a few little pieces. So we should be able to put this together in literally seconds. All right, so let's take a close-up look. So this with the canister unfolds like this, and you'll hear it click in paste. As you can see, a nice and spacious canister with a filter already in there. Then you've got your little direction manual. And then we've got our attachments right here. It looks like we've got our crevice tool, our little charger to plug into the wall, and it's got a nice little two-prong outlet, so very, very versatile. And then a little attachment, which is great for upholstery. As you can see, it's got that little bit of felt on there. And then we're going to put on our floor attachment. So let's go ahead and click it in place. So you just line it up like this. Press it down and you'll hear it click in place. So super snazzy, nice and lightweight, so easy to move around the house. This is what the bottom section looks like. You've got some nice little, what's called wheels. Let's go ahead and see how it turns on. So we've got the power button right here, looks like. Wow. That's very cool. Okay, so super easy to turn on. You got a power button up here as well. So this is super cool because you can use it in handheld position as well. So you simply just press this to get into handheld position, and then you have that little power cord or power thing that you can turn it on, and you can easily attach, like let's say you want to do the upholstery, you would just plug it right in here. So super, super snazzy. Let's go ahead and try it in the upright position. So we're going to turn it on like this. Wow. And it stands up on its own, which is awesome. So very, very snazzy. I love how lightweight it is and how versatile, how you can use it in handheld and how you can use it in an upright position. So super, super cool. Great for vacuuming the stairs and the couch, and it comes with all these nice attachments. So I'm so excited to put this to use, guys.